Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of WordPress series, we will be understanding how you can show progress bar or estimated reading time for any WordPress blog that you have for users so that they can estimate, okay, this particular time will be required to read this entire blog, or they can see the progress of how much of the portion of the blog they have read and how much is remaining. The example of this particular progress bar and read time is now reflecting on your screen right now. The similar way we'll be also adding the same functionality in our WordPress blog. So stay tuned. And if you are coming on the channel for the very first time, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you like the video, then also please do like and share with your friends. So in order to add this functionality, first we need to go to WordPress dashboard and go to plugins and click on add new plugin. Here we will use a simple plugin which is called read meter, So you need to search for read meter in the search bar and click on enter. Once you search for read meter in the search bar, then you will see this kind of an option: read meter, reading time and progress bar. Click on this option, install now. And once the plugin is installed successfully, you need to simply activate this plugin, and that's how your step number 1 will be completed. So once the installation is done, let us wait for the installation to be finished, and it is done now. Click on activate the plugin, and this is the step number 1. Now step number 2 is to configure the settings of this plugin so that we can customize the color, the width, the height, everything that is possible in this plugin according to our choice. So after activating, we will see an option called read meter, reading setting and progress bar. You can also find the option under settings, and you can see read meter option is there. So click on read meter. Once you click on read meter, now that's how the dashboard of read meter plugin looks like. By default, general settings, select post type. So by default, if you want to show the progress bar and the progress meter, you can say reading time. So by default, it is selected to post. But if you want to show on pages, landing pages, job openings, projects, different type of category of pages, then you can also select. But it is recommended to have this functionality most of the cases in the blog, because that is where the requirement of this functionality fits better. So I will keep it as it is. Words per minute. So the estimated reading time will be shown based on 275 words per minute. That is average user reading speed, and how many words are there in your blog, that will be divided by 275 per minute, and then whatever the calculation will be, that time will be shown in the minute. So I will keep as it is, not a problem. Include comments if you want to include comments in the length of the blog, then you can do that, but I will not recommend that. So here you are not supposed to change anything, just click on save changes. Read time. So read time shows that how much time will it require to read this entire blog. Again, the functionality will be shown on the single blog. Read time position, this particular time, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 3 minutes, where it will show. So right now it is above the content. You can show the post, above the post title, below the post title, or none. I will choose the, below the post title. So just after the title, it will be shown. Reading time prefix, so reading time, or you can change it to estimated reading time, blog reading time, as per your choice. Reading time postfix, it means the time will be shown in minutes. Keep as it is. Font size 15, you can change it according to your theme or font family or font size, whatever you have set up. Margin is by default 1 pixel from all over the site. Padding is 0.5, 0.7, 0.5. You can again change it. Background color is kind of a gray and text color is black, so it is absolutely okay. You can change it according to your theme as well. Click on save changes. Now come to progress bar, which will be on the top of the blog. As soon as you scroll the your blog, it will be continuously positioning. To display position, of course, top of the page, because that's how the user will get to know. Style, normal or gradient. There are 2 color options. By default, I will go with normal. Background color will be, you can say, sky blue, and the primary color will be dark blue. This is the bar thickness. You can increase or decrease the thickness based on your choice. Don't worry, after completing these settings, we will see how the progress bar looks like. And if you want to change something, we can come back again in the setting page and you can change. Getting started means there are some guides, so there are some options, so don't need to anything. If this is the shortcode, if you want to show read meter anywhere specifically, then you can use the shortcode. By default, on our all blog posts, it will be displayed. So this was the step number 2. Now let's go to the step number 3, that is to see whether this functionality is actually working or not. So we'll just click on blog, and by default here all our blogs are there. So let's say the first blog, click on the first blog, and you can see the read time, reading time 1 minute, it is just below the title of the blog as we decided, right? So reading time 1 minute, you can of course change the background color using custom CSS. And on top of the page, you can see there is a light blue color, sky blue color in the background, and as soon as I scroll down, you can see there is a dark blue color which is progressing, and this is called progress bar. It shows the user how much blog is completed, how much is remaining, and it keeps user engaged for the longer period of time on your blog post, and it also engages them to take action further based on your motivation. So this top feature is called progress bar, and this particular thing is called reading time or estimated reading time. The same is applied for all the blogs. If I go to another blog also, you can see the same functionality there also. Of course, based on the length of the blog, this reading time will vary, right? So right now we have some dummy blog, that's why it is showing 1 minute on all the blogs, but it will definitely vary based on the length of the blog, and you can see the progress bar here. If you want to decrease the thickness of the progress bar, you can come back here, click on the progress bar, and you can decrease the thickness from here. So let's say 10 pixel, instead of 10 pixels 16 pixel, we can go to 10 pixels. And as soon as we change this, now if I refresh, you will see that thickness of the progress bar is reduced to 10 pixels, right? You can change the color as well. If let's say if you want to change the primary color to something like red color, so save changes, and now you can see the thickness of the progress bar has also been reduced to 10 pixel, and the color has also been changed from blue to this different color, red color, right? So that's how you can customize this reading time option and progress bar option as per your choice, as per your theme color. But yes, it is a very good option to keep user engaged with your blog for a longer period of time. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, you know the drill. You need to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our side whenever we upload a new video on our channel. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, have a nice day.